Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix Messenger Note error on your Android device. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write comments after watching and be sure to put your likes. So, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, friends, please open the settings on your Android. Now, since every Android has different settings, so in order to make it a little bit easier for you, I'm gonna recommend in the search box in the settings, once you're in there, type in the word Messenger and select that application. Next, friends, when you open it up, you'll need to go to the Vaults section. I have this signed storage and cache. See how it is for you. Next, in the vault, folks, you'll need to clear the cache first, and then you'll need to clear the data. Clear the vault. And after you do that, friends, please go back to the Facebook Messenger app. And then go to Permissions. Here you will need to customize absolutely every single item. I had this, as you can see, broken down by camera, contact, notifications, and so on. You'll need to go to the different items and customize, either just always have one word or what it looks like for me whenever I use the app. You'll need to customize absolutely every single item in the resolution. As you can see, either one word or a little bit more. And further, once you've completed this process, you'll have your Messenger Notes bug fixed. This is the way, friends, you can easily fix your Messenger Notes error on your Android device very quickly. I really hope this video helped you and that it was helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.